Most poppers that are commercially sold have a weed guard attached. When fishing smallmouth bass, we like to remove this guard as most of the structure we fish is rock and wood. Also, coloring the bottom of the popper black with a marker helps the fish to see the popper easier when the skies are bright.
Oh, fish. That was an awesome take. Oh my goodness. The fish here are so strong. Looks good right in the corner of the mouth. I'm gonna try and bring him over to you, okay, Darcy?
Yep.
Man, these fish like fighting. Got it? Oh, wow. That's an awesome bass. Perfect. Sweet. Thanks, Darcy. That's great.
You're welcome.